Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Bank of Ireland mortgage account. Go to Chrome or Edge browser and then go to Google bar. Now, go to the Google bar and search for Bank of Ireland mortgage login. Click on the first link or the second link which appears on your screen. If you click on the second link, it takes you to the official page of Bank of Ireland UK, where you can scroll down and you can see the register button. You can click on register if you don't have an account. So if you have an existing account, click on Bank of Ireland, which will lead you to this page over here. It might take some time and it will take you to the Mortgage Hub login portal where you can enter your email address, your password, and log into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, click on Reset Password and you can easily reset your password after entering the mail which you registered for Bank of Ireland Mortgage. So, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.